How to lock chats on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can lock chats on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to lock chats on WhatsApp, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch your WhatsApp application over here. And once you launch your WhatsApp app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you can simply select a certain chat over here. Now assuming that you want to lock this particular chat, you can just tap the chat name from the top and then you're going to scroll down here. You'll find an option that says chat lock, so just turn it on and then just tap on the continue option and just make sure to go ahead and then verify with your fingerprint here. After you have done that, you will be able to basically lock this particular chat. So let me show you by coming back here. If I simply swipe up from here, you will be able to see the lock chat section from the very top. Now I just need to confirm with my fingerprint to be able to unlock that chat. This way I'll be able to lock chats on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.